Good morning from Western Material Handling, Denison Way. Today we're looking at 2007 Yale 4,000-pound Walkie Stacker. This unit has a maintenance-free battery, built-in 110-volt charger, lifts 130 inches, and has side shift. These work in an 8-foot aisle, so they work in tight spaces. Show us what 130 inches looks like there, Mr. Wade. It says proportional controls, very quiet. This unit is equipped with side shift, which is pretty rare for walkie stackies. This unit has always had maintenance its entire life. Received a new paint job. The battery was just reconditioned. We always have units like this. He's demonstrating the safety feature of the belly button switch, I call it. So if you back yourself into a corner, it'll go forward, sound alarm. If you use a unit like this, come to Western Material Handling, Denver, Fort Collins. Check us out on the web, abetterforklift.com. Thank you for looking at our video. We appreciate it.